intelligence. Sterile places and wireframe faces don't shake the hand of the android man. People pollution, it's a slow dilution. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. If you steal your identity, model reinvention, steal your money and resign your job. Surplus to requirement is human intervention. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. The deep dark web technology forces, the power mad machine, the elitist dream. Alternative forces, they're the Trojan horses. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence.